By the way, are you camera friendly? And if not, your child is probably looking at a wrong role model. In a session that I was conducting, these two kids were standing opposite to each other and they were doing a role play on how to deal with a bully, how to handle bullies. And the role play was so nice and I literally loved it. So what I did was, once they were done with the role play, I told them, let's do it again. And they were like, कि क्या हुआ? And they asked me कि sir ठीक नहीं हुआ? And I said, no, बहुत अच्छा हुआ, but let's do it once again. And I liked it so much that I would want to record it on my phone. And the moment I pulled my phone out, they were looking at each other. And I said, what happened? They said, sir, camera के सामने नहीं हो पाएगा. And I said, camera के सामने नहीं हो पाएगा? आपने camera के साथ थोड़ी ना role play करना है. You have to do the role play with each other. And they were uncomfortable. I could actually see it. And I said, okay, let's do it. And they started doing it, but what had happened was that they were missing on their lines in the role play. They were standing opposite to each other. The camera was on the other side and they were forgetting the lines because somewhere in the back of their mind, they knew that they are being recorded. Is your child CF? Now you must be wondering, what is this CF? CF stands for camera friendly. And if your child in today's date and age is not camera friendly, it can be a challenge. In the last 1 year, the sessions have been happening on Zoom, on different platforms, and a majority of kids were not willing to speak in front of the camera. They wanted to keep their videos off. But when they go into the real world, they will be giving presentations in front of people. They will be recording their interviews. They will be recording their bites. They will be doing a lot of things in front of the camera. And if they are not camera friendly today, it can hamper their growth when they get into the real life structure. So let your kids be camera friendly. Let them be very, very comfortable with camera. And it's not easy. I agree that it's not comfortable in the beginning, but whenever you get into a new thing, it's never comfortable in the beginning. But it's very crucial that in today's date and age, one must be camera friendly. Do you know that there are interviews which are happening across on Zoom? These days, hiring is happening on Zoom. Presentations are being given in front of the camera in the pandemic situation. So one needs to, and I'm expecting that in times to come, there will be a lot of camera facing situations that will happen for everybody. So let your child be CF, camera friendly. And by the way, are you camera friendly? And if not, your child is probably looking at a wrong role model. So you too be camera friendly.